So the next option to change the background color is the picture fill. So I am going to change the background color of this slide using the picture fill option. So once again go to the design tab, and from here the background slides, then format background. So now click on the picture or texture fill. By default the texture appeared on the slide, but on this slide I am going to change the background using a picture. So there are two options from which we can add a picture as the background. One is the file and another is the clip art. So let's add a picture from a file. A file means a file that is stored in the hard disk. So insert from file, click on this button, and you can see the picture library option here. You can set any picture from anywhere stored in your computer, but I am going to use the sample pictures. If you saved any pictures in some other drives of your computer or on the desktop, you can use that as well, but I am going to use the sample picture stored in the pictures library. So open the sample pictures folder, select any sample picture you want, and then click on insert. As you can see, a picture is inserted in the background. It is as background, so you can't change the dimension of the picture. So right now I'm click on close button. You can see you can't select it, you can't change the dimension, anything, because it appears as the background. Now you can see the content of the slide is now hidden by this background picture. So once again go to this format background option. Inside the picture or texture fill, you can see there is a transparency option. So you can reduce this transparency that to a level that the content of your text is visible clearly. So here is the function of this transparency slider. You can change the transparency. Now click on the close button. So right now a picture is applied as the background to your slide, and you can reduce the transparency so the content of your slide is visible clearly. For the last option, that is the texture fill, I am going to my last slide. Once again from the background styles to format background dialog box, select the picture or texture fill, and you can see a texture appears on the slide as the background. This is the default texture, and you can change this texture from this texture drop down. So you can see there are different textures available. You can change to any of the texture, but always remember that the content of your slide should be visible very clearly. So go for a light one, but you can also go for a dark one, and you can then change its transparency so that the content is clearly visible. So I am going for this one, and you can see it is applied to your slide, but content is hidden once again. So you can reduce this transparency to make visible the contents clearly. There is also some options, offset X, offset Y, using which you can customize your texture. So I am increasing it once again, using which you can customize your option. You can see this. So let me apply a different texture here. As you can change this offset X, you can see that the X or the horizontal position is changing. If you apply the offset Y, you can see the vertical options are changing. This is the scale X. You can reduce it. 100% is the maximum. You can reduce it to make it somewhere congested. This is the horizontal one. So make it more congested. You can then use this scale Y to make it vertically more congested. So using this styling option, you can customize any texture that you apply from this palette. So these are the options using which you can change the slide background, and then click on the close button to make it available for a particular slide.